Thank you, sir. Time now for this hour's car review. Had a chance to drive the 2024 Chevy Trax. Here are the trim levels. They start with the LS, go to 1RS, then LT, then 2RS, and then Active. I reviewed the 2024 Active trim level for the Chevy Trax. This is a small station wagon.
That's an understatement.
I cannot believe that the government calls it a station wagon. Does anybody even make a station wagon?
I can't believe they call it small, because I would call this micro.
Tiny.
No, it's not. No, it's not. It's got more room than that. It's a small. It's a small SUV, is what it really is.
That's the one Kylie sat in at the auto show,
and she liked it. Yeah. 5 people it will hold, including the driver. Complete redesign for 2024. Sharp grille, nicely proportioned body, nice grooves, and nice little special entrebouts on the side of it.
Accoutrement.
Black wheel opening moldings on it. Gives it that off-road appeal. Fastback tailgate with a sunshade, wraparound headlights. Wheels change with the trim level. What could use improvement? Nothing. Interior highlights. The dash is eye-catching with separate pods for gauges and infotainment. Well-placed controls, bright metal accents on the upper trim levels. Get it. It looks really good. Comfortable seating with cool cloth. Upscale features for entry-level SUV, cargo and trunk room, second row folded down, room for golf clubs back there, believe it or not. So there you go. It's not as tiny as you think it may be. What I liked about it, the handiness of the controls on the interior, what could use improvement. All I can say about that is more stuff, more money. And this is a cost-conscious vehicle. Okay, here's for you, Conrad, a 1.2-liter 3-cylinder engine, non-turbo. It cranks out a whopping 137 horsepower and 162 pound-feet of torque.
Whopping.
Miles per gallon, 28 city, 32 highway for combined of 30, and that's where the money lies right there.
What'd you
I
get?
got 29.5 over 308.1 miles. What I liked about it, the mileage. What could use improvement? It needs a little goose in the power department. Just saying. That's just me.
Turbo, supercharger.
Yeah, do something. Yeah, I'm okay with the 3-cylinder. It acts like a 4-cylinder. And, ride and handling. Choppy due to its short wheelbase, but that's the nature of the size of the car. Base trim price, $23,900. Prices tested, $26,935.
Wow.
Base entry-level price, $20,400. Get some today.
Yeah, it's a first-time buyer.
Good price.
Competitors, the Mazda CX-30 starts at $23,225. The Buick Encore, which was kind of surprising when I did the research here, it starts at $24,600. And the Hyundai Kona, which is probably the closest to it, starts at $21,685. That's the review of the 2024 Chevy Trax. All new from the ground up. This is not the old model. That didn't go over too well, and I think that this one will. And it's a lot of it has to do with the price point on it.
The price point and the look.
And the look. And that interior, that dashboard, spot on. Loved it. All right. The In Real Time Car Talk Show is available 24/7 through the iHeartRadio app. Just look for In Real Time Car Talk. We also video stream on Facebook.